Something wrong here. Can't quite figure it out. How y'all doing there, Slackass? I got a little bit of a problem for you. Now you see, I'm gonna show you, gonna give you a little bit of a lesson on how Photoshop didn't exist back in them there days, and it was very possible because these guys, I'm just gonna show you how they go about erasing cigars from people's mouths. You see, from this guy here, Winston Churchill. Okay, look at this. I'll just give you a little bit of an example here, Slackass, because you're too dumb. You see, in this photo, there is a cigar, right? That is one cigar, uno cigar. I don't know if it's Cuban, but it is, in fact, a cigar. You agree on that, Slackass? All right, now, see, we go over here a little bit more, and not over there, and see, and that big mouth is there. Well, there's no cigar there. Now, how did that cigar just go vanishing there? Don't go running over to your buddy there, Astrobrand, saying, Astrobrand, them guys there, they're trying to put us down again. And, well, we're not trying to put you down. What we're trying to do is trying to make you see some common sense there. No cigar, right? Now, there was no Photoshop around there in them there days. Now, was there, Slackass? Not one, not two, not three. There was no Photoshop. It didn't exist yet. So, tell me, how did this there swoop down that there cigar get out of this here guy's mouth? This guy's big mouth. Winston Churchill's big mouth. How did it get out of there? How did they take that cigar out of his big mouth? And not only that, I'm going to show you another here photo coming right up. Alright, Slackass, here's another photo for you. You see this here guy? It's going to show you over here because if I don't take my pointer and stick out, you dumb, realize. See this here guy? This fella here, he is gone, if you haven't noticed, in this here photo over here. Now, how did they do that without Photoshop? You know that high and unsophisticated word? Photoshop. That's right, friends, Photoshop. How did those guys go about doing that there, Slackass? You know what they did? You ask me. Them there guys, you took them photos just the same one doggone way that they did it. With them NASA photos there, all your buddies and pals. You have been clearly editing in magazines. And don't go trying to sell us. Those guys, you know what? They're trying to sell me a subscription to that National Geographic there. Well, them National Geographics, the only thing they're good for is lighting my fireplace in the wintertime here in Kentucky. Now get that through your thick head there, you stupid numbskull. It's gonna be showing you one thing. You obviously haven't had a good hazing because you haven't gone to university. You must be one of those dumb guys there who had glasses on and were bothered all the time because you was just too dumb to figure it out. Now, how did this here guy, you tell me, where did this here guy go? How did they get him out of there without using that there Photoshop? That's right, Photoshop. Where did he go? He's here in this scene, and he's gone over here in the next. Good God almighty, Slackass, you're losing your mind. You're losing it. Good gosh, these stupid humans don't know what to do with them anymore.